Hello, today we're gonna disassemble Toshiba satellite. The model is A660. I have to open it and clean the laptop, so I decided to make a video. So let's start. The first thing, of course, we'll take off the battery. After that, we're gonna remove the hard drive and the optical drive. Now we'll remove all the screws in the back because I think one or two of them are holding the keyboard. We're gonna remove all the screws. All of them are the same size, so it's much easier when you assemble it on the reverse. We'll take off the screws. After that, we're gonna remove the keyboard. We're gonna take the palm rest plastic and eventually disassemble the laptop. We have one screw missing here, or it's probably broken, or it's got loose and fell off. So it's a good idea to always tighten the screws from time to time when you're using the laptop. So let's double check. Yeah, we remove all the screws. Now we're gonna turn the laptop around and we're gonna remove the keyboard. Use something sharp. Like this. Open the connector and remove the keyboard. Now we have, I think, two screws here which are holding the upper case. Now we'll disconnect the touchpad cable, the cable for the power buttons, and I think we have to remove the speakers because I think they're coming with all the casing. So right now, just start. We have a broken hinge. Yeah. Not good. Well, I have to fix this later. Right now, we're gonna disconnect the Wi-Fi. Also the cable here for the power button. We're gonna remove the cable for the LCD. We have two cables here. I think one is for the LEDs and the other one is for the right USBs. So disconnect them also. And now I think we have a few screws here on the board. They're all marked with a white triangle. so you can't get them wrong. Yeah, I think it's only one. We're gonna remove the screws which are holding the fan, because the fan is separate from the board, like this. Now I'll remove the power jack also, because on that model I think the cable is soldered here, so just leave the board with the cable, it will be much easier for you, like that. Just let me find something to put the board on. Now this laptop have a discrete video card, got pretty decent cooling, so the only thing right now what you gotta do, just remove the screws, lift the cooler. If the thermal paste is very old, probably will be a little bit hard for you to remove the cooler, so basically just push it a little bit left to right so you can move like that and start lifting. Yeah, this way all the thermal pads are left intact, and basically that's the whole procedure. The only thing you gotta do right now, just clean the thermal paste from the CPU and the VGA, clean the cooler, apply the new thermal paste, and reassemble on the reverse. I'll stop the video now because I gotta clean everything. Also, I gotta fix this hinge here, which for which I'm gonna use a hot glue. Basically, that's the whole procedure. Hope you like the video. Like and subscribe if you do. Bye bye for now.